What's the meaning of clubber? Clubber. Clubber.
Clubber. Clubber. Clubber typically refers to someone who enjoys spending time at nightclubs, dancing, socializing, and often consuming alcohol or other substances. They may dress in trendy or revealing clothing and prioritize having a good time above all else. Clubbers can often be found in cities with vibrant nightlife scenes, and may be associated with certain music genres or subcultures. While clubbing can be a fun way to unwind and meet new people, excessive partying can also lead to health risks, addiction, and other negative consequences.